Imagine a wave of Qi energy flowing within you. Visualize it as a radiant and powerful force, moving smoothly and effortlessly like a wave in the ocean. The Eternal TAO is often associated with concepts such as yin and yang, which represent the opposing yet complementary forces in the universe. The Taoist philosophy emphasizes the union of these forces, as it is believed that everything in the universe is interconnected and interdependent. Qigong is a centuries-old practice that combines deep breathing, mental focus, and movements to enhance the flow of vital energy, Qi, in the body. It is often described as a mind-body exercise that promotes overall well-being and vitality. Qigong is rooted in the belief that Qi is essential for good health, and its cultivation and harmonization can help prevent illness, restore balance, and improve physical, mental, and spiritual aspects of one's life. Through various techniques like mindfulness, meditation, postures, and flowing movements, Qigong aims to promote relaxation, increase energy levels, boost the immune system, and foster a deep connection between the mind, body, and spirit. It's important to start with the foundational movements and techniques. We will focus on understanding the fundamentals of Qigong and Tai Chi, including proper breathing techniques and posture. We should set aside regular time slots for practice, whether it's a few minutes or an hour a day. The more you practice, the more you will experience the benefits. Learning Qigong and Tai Chi takes time and patience. Embrace the process and enjoy the journey. Focus on gradual progress rather than expecting immediate results. Enjoy your journey as you explore the world of Qigong and Tai Chi. Begin to feel the wave of Qi flowing through your body. Concentrate on feeling the energy moving from one point to another, like a wave moving from the base of your spine up to the crown of your head and down again. Taoism emphasizes aligning oneself with the Tao, living in accordance with its principles and embracing the natural flow of life. The goal is not to resist or control the Tao, but to flow and live in harmony with it. By doing so, individuals can attain balance, inner peace, and a deeper understanding of the universe. Qigong movements are often inspired by nature and animals. The slow and deliberate movements help increase flexibility, improve balance, and enhance overall body awareness. Join me as we cultivate Qi and study the Eternal TAO